Alright, good morning, guys. I hope everyone is doing great, and I hope everyone is having a fantastic week. Alright, so I wasn't able to drop a video on Monday, but today is still fine because today's condition, I think, now market is clear to me. So let's just go right into the video and let me explain what I see. I'm gonna analyze this market right in front of you guys and tell you what I think the market is going to do. I haven't really analyzed what is going to happen, but not I did, but not so much. So let's go into the video and try and get or understand what the market is going to do. So one, you guys remember when I was saying if price goes and takes out this high, we are probably bullish taking out this relatively high and maybe potentially going into this fair value gap. But first, we do have this order block here. We have candle here. Yeah, that could be a place of rejection, but we don't know because market could do anything. So we're just gonna look at the patterns that is showing us. Then we place our trades based off of the patterns that it's showing us. So now on the weekly, we are above. We broke structure to the upside. We first took out this high and we took out this high. And if you watch the previous video, I said if price takes out this high and potentially goes to this high, then we are aiming for this one. So price is gonna. There's no way price is rejecting from here. Even if it's rejecting from here, it's probably gonna not going far. It's not gonna come way down. It's gonna come a little bit down, then maybe shoot up, taking out this high itself. So now I'm looking for bullishness, and this is my draw on liquidity now. So from here, I'll be looking for buys into this liquidity zone. So that's what you should understand. One very good thing about draw on liquidity is once you find a draw on liquidity, you just base your trades based on the draw on liquidity. So if our draw liquidity was below here, then we'll be looking for sells into the zone. Now we have low draw on liquidity here, so we'll be looking for buys into the zone. All right, so now we go to the daily, and let me elaborate here. So we had this volume imbalance here, and price rejected. But what did price do? Price came back down into this fair value gap here and then rejected to the upside. And one thing I didn't want to see is if price was going to reject and come down, it wasn't going to close about 50% of this volume imbalance that we have here. But price went through it, telling us, okay, now there's some bullishness in price. But if you don't understand what I'm explaining here, you probably don't know or haven't learned anything about ICT concepts. So these are ICT concepts, and if you want to learn it, you can go to his page, Inner Circle Trader, and find so many. There's a lot of germ on his page, so you can just learn this. And his core content is out for like months now, like almost a year now, so you guys should check it out. So once we had a rejection from the volume imbalance, price came back into this fair value gap. Let me just mark that out for you guys. So price came back into the fair value gap and then rejected, went through the volume imbalance, showing us some bullishness. So now our target is this high. So what happened here was price left a volume imbalance, a fair value gap here, returning to the fair value gap, and now I think price is going to go higher from here because price is at the fair value gap and also tested the other block. So rejected from the other block, and also if we go closer, we can see that price is still staying above 50% of about 50% of this, which is a consequence encouragement. So price is still staying above 50% of the fair value gap, and it's showing willingness. This rejection was huge. Came back into this and a huge rejection, showing us okay, price is going to go higher now. So what we are looking at right now is, since price has balanced this move, you can see from here to this fair value gap, or let's say you just use this low, price has balanced it right now, closed it together, and you can see this was an expansion, and if price was going to go lower, you should expect this to hold, but this did not hold. This is an expansion right here, and this should be an other block, but this is not holding. So we are expecting price to go higher from here. So our drawn liquidity here is going to be targeted. So now, what we are going to do is, alright, so now what we are going to do is we need clear indication of going higher. And this is why I'm saying I've been posting so much, because look at this price action. It's really dirty. Like, what is this? What is this? Price is not even giving you any clear direction. I was going to take this trade in the morning, but when I saw these, I was like, nah. Although there was liquidity taken here, there's an impulsive move. I are breaking out this high, making this the breakup block, this block. I could have taken the trade, but I was like, nah, this is not why I trade. This is not why. I would need a clear movement in price. If price is doing this, I don't want it. I want a clear move in price. Return back into the area, then we push. But look at this. This is not allowing me to trade. Yeah. So it will be up to you if you want to trade this market. But now I don't think it's good for me. Unless maybe, let's see, in New York session, if price gives us something clean, then we will take it. But this is not it. But yeah, so I do still think price is going to go to this area. And this is all I want to show you guys, that this is where price is going to go. And if you want to take your trades, or you want to use my ideas, that's all up to you, and you should execute with your own choice. But yeah, I'm looking forward to see price go to this level. This is a 105.487, right? Yeah, 487. So from here, we will be looking to see what price will do from there. So yeah, that will be it for today, and I hope you guys found a lot of value in this video. If you enjoy, just hit the thumbs up, and this actually helps people to see my videos. So you guys should just like the video, yeah. All right, so safe.